In this video, you'll learn how to turn on the maintenance mode in Elementor. Maintenance mode in Elementor is a great way to ensure your website is under construction without any disruptions. To activate it, move to your WordPress admin dashboard. In case you want to learn how to exit from Elementor to the dashboard, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now hover over the Elementor and click on Tools. And from various tools here, simply click on the Maintenance mode. If your site is still to be launched and it's offline, then you can select the Coming Soon mode. And if your site is temporarily offline for maintenance, then you can activate the Maintenance mode. Selecting the Coming Soon mode will return the HTTP 200 code. You can select who can access the site. You can even choose the template from here. Once done, simply click on Save Changes. You can see the maintenance mode has been activated. Now, let's log out first, and let's open the website in incognito mode and check the Coming Soon mode in action. You can see the template here. This is how easy it is to turn on the maintenance mode in Elementor. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.